The guy's in the truck.
Yeah, I know. I missed that. There you go.
Holy fuck. Another guy just broke through. Guy just got out of the ice. Holy fuck.